Did you know that Britain's biggest jewelry heist was pulled off by a gang of pensioners? Picture this. Easter weekend 2015, London's Diamond District lies empty. While families celebrate, four men in their 60s and 70s are drilling through 2 meters of reinforced concrete. These weren't your typical criminals. They had walking sticks, hearing aids, and decades of experience. For months, they studied every camera angle, every security blind spot in Hatton Garden. They brought industrial diamond-tipped drills, hydraulic rams, and the kind of patience only age provides. Working through the holiday weekend, they knew security would be minimal. Finally, they breached the vault. Hundreds of safety deposit boxes worth £14 million lay before them, the perfect crime by the most unlikely criminals. But their downfall was utterly predictable. One member couldn't resist bragging about their success at the local pub. Police surveillance recorded every boastful word. Age brought them wisdom, but not enough to stay quiet.